Greetings. It's wonderful to be with you here on another new day in our great earth paradise, where we are invited to live life in a way that we can just constantly say, life is good. Life is good. Reality may be challenging, but life is good. So, a few thoughts on the golden rule, because the golden rule is a universal principle. And it's a universal gauge. The golden rule is a principle that's a universal gauge. And it needs serious consideration from all of us because it encourages us. And when something encourages you, it's worth including it in your life. So, the golden rule says, reflect on your actions. Before acting, consider how your behavior might impact others. What you are doing, what you are choosing to do, how is that contributing to the well-being of others? Well meaning that it's going good, that things are good. So if your actions are not contributing to the well-being of others, the well-being, the word well-being includes the word we. It's a we word. Well-being is a we word, and we now need to look more and more how we can actually include ourselves into we words such as wellness, because it's illness, it's the I that causes the trouble, and it's the we that brings wellness. So reflect on your actions before acting, before impulsively moving forward. Consider your behavior and how it's going to impact those around you. Whether it's at home, whether it's at the office, whether it's with family, be considerate. Be considerate of others. Put yourself in their situation. Put yourself in their shoes. How are you going to feel when you are being treated in that way? When things are being done to you that you are contemplating doing to someone else? Put yourself in their situation and respect their perspectives and feelings. And mostly, respect their rights for what they are entitled to, such as privacy, such as to be considered, to be respectful, to walk your path with dignity, honor, and respect. And then, of course, act with kindness. You don't need to like somebody to be kind. You really don't need to like someone, because it's not going to be possible to like everyone in your life so that you can be kind or good to them. No. Act with kindness. Treat others with the same kindness and respect that you wish to receive. Not just from others, but from life itself. Because life is your constant witness. And life is observing how you are executing your kindness, your consideration, your reflection on your actions. Life is your constant witness. We always have a witness. Always. So, it's a measure of your consideration. How will I feel if this is being done to me? That's always my gauge. If I'm looking at something, if I'm not sure about something, I always ask myself the question, how will I feel if this is being done to me? By asking yourself this question, you are self-reflecting. You are developing your consideration, and mostly you are in a process of transcending judgment. Because in order to apply the golden rule, it will support you to be less judgmental, to be less critical of others. And, it's a gentle reminder. It's not a prescription. It's an option. And when life gives us options, that's when we have so much space to expand And we're always looking for this feeling of freedom. And I'm still going to do a talk on where you find this liberation, where we find this freedom. But for now, may my words, just think of it this way, may my words and actions be a reflection of my commitment to kindness, my commitment to compassion, to absence of judgment, and to consideration of others. And even if you have to respect someone for being difficult, if you have to respect someone for being inconsiderate, it's still a measure of respect. May I always consider the impact of my behavior on others and treating them with the same love and respect I wish to feel. So it's a gentle reminder. And let me say that again. This is a nice incantation that you can actually reflect on. May my words and my actions be a reflection of my commitment to kindness, to consideration, and to complete absence of judgment, which is compassion for others and for where they are. May I always consider the impact of my behavior, of my choices on others, treating them with the same love, kindness, and respect that I wish to feel and receive. And let me assure you, life cares for life. And when life sees that you are a measure of the golden rule, that the golden rule is reflected in every deed, every intent, every action in your life, I give you my word, and my word is my honor, that you will be supported beyond measure to achieve the acclaim and all the things that you strive for, that will give you that sense of worth. And the golden rule is a very good measurement of worth, because what you do unto others will be done unto you. As you sow, so you shall reap. What goes around comes around. So let's begin today, and let's consider the golden rule in all our choices and all our considerations with others, with self, with life, and let's see how the magic unfolds. And don't forget to give permission to be pleasantly surprised. Surprises are the best. And push that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can receive all my future vids. Thank you for sharing these few moments with me today. It was wonderful to share with you the magic of the golden rule. Such is life. See you soon. Bye.